Hello, and welcome to the fifth lesson of the Bybit 101 course. In this lesson, we will be talking about the Bybit app, mobile version. Let's get started. We will need to install the Bybit app first. You can get it from Google Play, App Store, or get the app from the Bybit website. After that, log in on Bybit. An amazing benefit of using the Bybit app is that you can trade anywhere you want. While walking, while in the subway, or waiting in line at the supermarket. Literally anywhere. On the left lower button, we can access the Home tab and see how well the cryptocurrencies that we wish to invest are performing. You have the hot or popular cryptocurrencies, the top gainers of the last 24 hours, the new listings, and the best performing traders. The second one is the Market button. You buy and sell crypto from the spot and derivatives market, as well as the trading chart for each trading pair available. We will talk about the derivatives and trade buttons in the second chapter, so that we can better understand what are the concepts of each trading function. The Convert button lets you easily exchange one crypto with another, or even with fiat, just from a few clicks. And the Assets button. Here you can see all of your crypto and fiat across all of your Bybit wallets. We're also having 4 functions: deposit, withdraw, transfer, and convert. The deposit option enables you to send funds to your account from external sources. If you want to send some ADA, you will need to copy the address and paste it to the sending address from the exchange you wish to send your crypto. Make sure that the network matches the receiving address network. Otherwise, you are likely to lose your coins. You can also repeat the same steps as before, and you can withdraw your crypto to another exchange or withdraw your money to your bank account. And the transfer button lets you move your funds freely between your wallets. Each wallet has its own purpose: spot wallet for spot trading, funding wallet for your Bybit card, and derivatives for derivatives trading. In the next lesson, we will be talking about making passive income with Bybit Earn. See you in the next one.